Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anique. How y'all doing? Oh, whatever. How y'all doing? Oh, whatever. Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anique here in Anique Budgets. Today, as you can see, we're gonna be doing my paycheck number 2 budget, and we're gonna get all up into my business channel, because on this channel we do cash stuffing, we do paying off debt, and then minding our business, right? Which is to make sure that we mind our business, stuff our cash envelopes, and get our life together. So if you're interested, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button, because we would love to have you here as a part of the family. And if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. Hello, how you doing? Welcome back. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit a thumbs up and leave your 2 cents down below in the comment box, because your 2 cents add on to my 98 cents equals $1, and we can do a whole lot with $1. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so I've zoomed y'all in so we can get our lives together and get our coins together, because that's what we need to do whenever we do these budget. Okay, so for today's budget, our carryover amount in our bills account, which is the BA, will be $530.67, and our rental income will be $600. So when you combine the two, that is $1,130.67. That is exactly what we're going to be working with today and getting it all up into it. Okay, today I don't expect to be paying anything under expenses on this paycheck, so we just gonna step straight into the breakdown of the breakdown, which is the cash envelopes, the sinking funds, and the additional saving child. So first, okay, here's what happened, right? So I was minding my business one day, and I was like, ooh, wait, Christmas. I really to save too much for Christmas, so ooh, wait, let me like buy all my Christmas gifts. So I started buying Christmas stuff, and I put it on my credit card, because baby, we just ain't playing for it. But now I gotta plan to pay by my credit card what I put on it, because baby, get your life together. So we're gonna start off with the additional debt of what's going into the Navy Fed account, well, Navy Fed credit card, because it ain't one of the expenses that's due here already. Wait a minute, did I pay it on this one? Oh yeah, girl, I did. It's a expense that's already been paid for, and anything additional, child, will be in this box. So I am only working with my rental income amount, which is $600, because the carryover bills account amount, which is the $530.67, is only for expenses in this section. So $600 is being split between cash envelopes, additional savings, sinking funds, and additional debts. However you break up yours, how you break up yours, this time I'm breaking up mine. So I feel like, because we already out here playing Navy Fed credit card, which is supposed to go towards the Christmas stock, I feel like I want to do $150, because you know that's like half of what I already spent. So we gonna do that. So we're gonna do yeah, we're gonna do $150. We're gonna do $150. And that's all that's going to go to additional debt underneath here. So the total for additional debt is $150. That means we have $450 to go with. Now, because this payment on this credit card is because of Christmas, snooze you lose, you suck. We ain't budgeting nothing for you, okay? So we ain't budgeting nothing for you. You know, gotta do what you gotta do. I do have car maintenance, which, guys, I really need to set this appointment. I've been trying to set this appointment all week and keep forgetting. I already set this appointment, but what I'm gonna do, because I need to set this up. I need to do this appointment. So I'm gonna do $50 the car maintenance, because she's important. Okay, she's important. And I'm gonna do $50 to travel, because your girl is driving home for Thanksgiving, and as you guys know, if you do anything outside of your home, it costs way too much money. So we're gonna do $50 for both of these, so that's $100. Now, emergency fund, she said don't leave me out of the 50 gang, so I'm gonna do $50 for her too. You know, gotta keep them together. And then 1 month ahead, I give her like a cool 20. So off the $450 so far, we spend $50, $100, $150, $170. So that leaves me with what? 2 something? I don't know, child. Let's calculate it. So 450 minus 50 minus 50 minus 20 minus 50 leaves me at 280, right? So Fam's birthday and my birthday, I usually don't give a lot, so we are going to do $5 for each of these. We're going to do Fam's birthday, we're going to do $5 as well. And then for clothing, we're going to do $10. That's cool. So on their sinking funds, this is not normally how we do it, but this is like an extra income, extra check to like work with to do different stuff. So that is why your girl is like, ooh, I'm starting over from additional debt to sinking funds to cash envelopes and then to additional savings, or maybe additional savings to cash envelopes. But under my sinking funds total is 50 plus 50 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 20 plus 50. So under sinking funds, I have $190 being stuffed in there. Okay. Now for saving challenges, I think I have, we're going to go to saving challenges before we go to cash envelopes. But for, let me see what I have left. So it was 600 minus the 150 that's going to the Navy Fed, minus the 190 that's going to sinking funds. Okay, so I have $260 to work with. Okay, so what I need to do, 260, hair care, let me see, gas, what is in gas? First of all, let's do that. Let's do a mini check. What's in gas? Because baby, help me out so I can figure out what we're doing with this money. So gas right now still has $27, right? So I'm not going, it'll be fine. So I'm not going to do anything in gas. Or maybe I should, because Thanksgiving, no, that's what travel is for. Okay, so gas is not getting anything out of here. So we're going to do a negative for you. Toiletries. I got a little bit of money in toiletries, but I give it $10. Household, ooh, child, household, your girl came in clutch and she was right on the dollar for everything. So I got all the things that I need and was missing, child, and I didn't have to go out of budget. Like, super proud, super proud. So that was toiletries. And so for household, we're gonna start off with a cool 20 because she did us good. She was good to us, so we're gonna be good to her, you know, favor for a favor. So that is $10, that's $30, so that's $30. Now my hair care, I am getting my hair done twice this month, so I'm gonna do $100 in hair care, right? And then groceries and allowance are left. I kind of want to make this $160, so I have saving challenges for $100. So allowance, I'm gonna give me $10 to work with, and then I'm gonna give $20 to groceries. And so, cause y'all, I told you I spent so much money when I went home last time on food, and I was like, girl, cook them. And even that, I still went to the store and bought food. Wild, just wild. So that is $160. That is under cash envelopes. Okay. And then saving challenges would have $100. So in that total for also saving challenges is, make sure y'all are seeing, 100. So now we're going to go over to the categories over here and do the calculation. So my income source says $1,130.67. My expenses came up to 0, so nada. My cash envelopes came up to 160, which is cute, we like her. My additional savings was $100, which will take care of some of my that 10 of a kind saving challenge. I think that would like take care of my other 20s. Ooh. And then we'll be good. And then also, you know, go into the 50s now and the $100. Child, I'm ready, but I'm scared. $50 every paycheck. But we gonna work it out. We gonna work it out. Sinking funds has 190, and then additional debt is 150. So when you do 1130.67 minus 0 minus 160 minus 100 minus 190 minus 150, that is equal to $530 left over and 67 cents, which my carryover to my next paycheck is $530.67, which is what it's supposed to be, because my carryover bills account is that amount, which is $530.67, and we ain't spent nothing in expenses in here, which is the only thing that removes from our bills account up here. So we should have the remaining balance the same in our bills account, which is why our ending balance is $530.67. Okay, and yeah guys, that is basically how we are breaking down this budget. I know she was kind of all over the place. I didn't know what she was looking for, but baby, this was the real, this was the tea, this was the real time how this budgeting was going to be broken down, right? So literally that's my thought process when I'm thinking about doing my budget, because man, from the first check to the second check to the third and the fourth and the fifth, there's changes, there's life that happens, and you never know. So real time, real situation, real thought process of the future of what we gonna do. That's literally how I do with all my budget, to make sure that your girl is on task. Now, if you did like this video and like more of how this video is done, which is the, you know, thinking process out loud, and so you guys can see, go ahead and click that go ahead and hit that like button so I know. Leave your 2 cents down below, child, because we would love to hear your 2 cents added up to $1 with my 98 cents. So leave your comments down below, and then if you like, subscribe, right? So yeah guys, that's all I have for the video, and tomorrow is a special video, and I can't wait for y'all to see it, because this cash flow is about to be bomb, okay? About to be bomb. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Anique, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.